So the first thing we're going to do is remove this bracket here. You've got the, it's kind of hard to show this on camera, I'm sorry. You've got the one bolt on the mount there, it goes through the mount on the bottom. And then there's two bolts up top. And there's going to be one bolt in between those two there. Oh, and this wire sensor, you can just push this tab here. And you should be able to pull that right off there. Alright, with that bracket off, it's going to give us access to that bolt, and then there's one more on this side, right there. Okay, that's a bit tight. Wow. Yeah, be careful you don't hurt yourself with these. These are way tight. I'm usually really good at breaking bolts, so these are way tight. I am actually going to use my Ultra Torque on this because this one is really, really tight compared to the other two. Of course, my output is the right size. Good, I know how to screw from underneath. Hang on. Okay. That was rough. Thought I broke it first. Alright, there's that one. Okay, there it is. side over now. I like to get it over the mount before I try to bolt it in, just to make sure. And I'm having a really hard time getting it to fit on the mount bracket. So I'm going to sand these down just to make sure there's no nicks and dirt that is causing it from stopping to get on there. That's the only thing I can think of at this moment. Alright, got those edges cleaned up. I actually used a grinder because I still didn't get it to fit, so I had to take just a very slight bit off. But I can work it over the mount now, so I'll just go ahead and set this bolt in there. I'm not actually going to bolt it in yet. You may have to adjust your jack a little bit because of the new mount. Don't tighten any of these until you get them all started.